Hello everyone, today we are going to paint this beautiful scenery. So I have already traced the background like the window and the vase. Firstly, I have made this shade by mixing red and a little bit of blue, and we are going to mix these two shades together. One is the darker shade and one is the lighter shade. Firstly, we are going to mix it as it is, and using a little bit of white we are going to lighten the shade like this. Like this we are going to blend it, and a little bit of light yellow we are going to mix. It looks good here. And then again, using a little bit of pink, I have mixed this all together very nicely, and using light blue we are going to make the sea like this. Like this we are going to make the sea. And now for the floor I am using beige shade by mixing a little bit of brown and white, and for the wall I am using this grey shade. Now we are going to mix it all together very nicely. And for the vase I am going to use a lighter shade of grey and beige together. Like I have mixed the beige shade and the grey shade both to make this shade. Like this we are going to mix it. And I have also made some lines on the vase so that it looks more beautiful. And using fine brush and flat brush also, we are going to make few lines for the leaves. And using the flat brush I am going to make few flowers of 3 different colors. Like this I am going to make. And like this we are going to complete all the flowers. And now I'm going to make 2 flowers with pink and 2 flowers with purple. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.